Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Life After game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, from your Android homepage, open up the Google Play Store. And then from Google Play Store, you can tap on the search box at the top section and you can simply type in Life After and start your search. Once you find the Life After game, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Life After game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button or the play button, you can tap on it to open up the Life After game. Once the game is opened up, you can proceed with signing up to create your new account or logging in to your existing one in order to start enjoying the Life After game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Life After game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.